Hi guys, in this easy and quick video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add a collection to a page on Shopify, and also how you can show this page on Shopify so that your customers will be able to see the products or collections inside the page. Okay, so first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify store. Now, if you don't like, first, of course, you will have to click on products, and you want to click on collections. Okay, here you will find all your collections. Okay, like I have like 2 collections, as you can see. You can create a collection here. If you click on create a collection, you can then create a collection here. Okay, so after you create a collection, what you guys need to do next is you want to click on online store, and you want to click on pages. Okay, so if you already have the page here, that's good, just ignore this. If you don't have a page, you want to click on add a page, and you want to name this page. For example, I have a clothing store, and I'm going to add collection of like t-shirts to this page, and I want to show it. I want to make it like appear on my Shopify store, and I'm also going to create another page for hoodies. Okay, so people are going to click on the page that they are interested in, if that makes sense. Now I'm going to title the page t-shirts. Okay, and I'm going to click on save. Now we have created the page. Now how we can add products to this page? Very easy. So after you create the page, you want to click on online store. Okay, and you want to click on customize. Okay, it will take you guys directly to your theme editor, as you can see here, guys. Then you want to click in the top for homepage. You want to click on homepage in the top, and next thing you want to click on pages. And if you can see here the page you have created a few seconds ago, or the page you already have, that's good. If you cannot see it, click on default page, and after that, here it says preview in the top left. You want to click on change, and you want to select here the page, which is the t-shirt. I created t-shirt page. I'm going to click on it, and now after you pick here, after you select the page, you want to click here in your template. As you can see, when I click on add section, now you can either add the featured collection, or a featured product, or a collection list. And I'm going to click on add featured collection. Okay, so this is the collection. Now we just want to add products here to the page. We want to add the collection now. Now I want to click here and scroll down and click here. It says collection. You want to click on select collection, and I create the collection. So this is the collection I have created. I named it hoodies. I should have named it t-shirts, but you get the idea. So I'm going to name it. I'm going to click on it. So now we have added a collection of t-shirts. Of course, these are not t-shirts, but you get the idea, guys. Okay, so as you can see, you can also change multiple things, like if you want to maximize products to show, as you can see. You can also make products full width. I hope I pronounced it correctly here. You can make some changes here. View all style. You can also change the place for it. Okay, so after you customize this, you want to click on save in the top right. Now we have created a t-shirt page now, but it's not showing on Shopify. We cannot see the page here. So how you can make it appear on your Shopify? It's very easy. You can just click on navigation, and after, guys, you click on navigation, you want to click on main menu, or here where you can see home and catalog, contact. Click on it, and you want to click on add main, like menu item. You want to click on add menu item here. Okay, and here you want to name it. You want to name it in the top t-shirts, or whatever you want to name it. It will appear on your Shopify store, on your homepage. Here it says search or paste a link. You want to click on pages, and here you want to find that page, which is like t-shirt page, and I'm going to click on add. and I'm going to click on save. Now you just want to give it a few seconds, and the page now will look in the top here in the main menu. Now, as you can see, we only have 3 different options, which is the contact page, the catalog page, the home page. But now there is a new page, which is the t-shirt page, and if your customers click on it, you will be able to see the collection here. As you can see, I have added two collections. As you can see, featured collection, also features collection. Now that's exactly, guys, how you can add collections to your page on Shopify. Now, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Okay, just go to comments below and ask me any question. I reply to everyone. See you guys in the, please drop a like and see you guys in the next video.